This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade today on Litecoin. To put my charts into perspective, this is a candlestick area here. These gray vertical bars are volume indicators. This is a slow stochastic indicator. This is the MACD. These purple lines that you're seeing here, these are Camarilla pivot points. This is Camarilla pivot S3. This is Camarilla pivot S4. This is Camarilla pivot R3 up here. And this is Camarilla pivot R4 up here. This is this blue line that you're seeing here. This is the 200 exponential moving average. This is the 15-minute chart. This is the 60-minute chart. And this is the 4-hour chart. This morning I got absolutely crushed up in this area between Litecoin, Cardano, and I believe Chainlink. Started up at this R4 level, and I was looking for a long to R6, but not paying attention to how extended the price action was here. And you can see we get this sell-off here and sell below the 200 here on the 15, below the 200 on the 60-minute here, and was well below the 200 on the 4-hour. So as I chop myself up in this zone up here, and there are likely probably two more trades that are up here, I had to, or at least I was looking at other tickers after this or other currency pairs, and just kind of reset this up here. But definitely overtraded this morning and got destroyed. I've noticed that I usually will try to take a position in the pre-market before the U.S. Open. Usually will get stopped out a few times before catching a move. I want to now focus on waiting for the open and then reacting. Even if I miss some things, just need to be more patient with what I have going on. I was also looking at the 5-minute chart. This was the 5-minute chart this morning. This was the 15, and this was the hourly. I like those for just general day trading, but I don't use the 5-minute really for anything. So I just went back to the 15-minute and then just scaled up the rest of my charts accordingly here. And the 4-hour can really use that to focus on market structure, as it's likely the smallest time frame where you can really do that on any kind of let's say pertinent basis. But I'll walk you through my trade here on Litecoin. So these trades failed up here, and Litecoin made an let's back that up. Litecoin made an R3, which is right here, made an R3 to S3 traverse here, and then here at S4, you can see here and here, you can see here in this candle, S4 is tested. This candle, there's a breakout of S4. Now Litecoin has my attention. I'm seeing what I want to see. Also price action trading below the 200 EMA here, and trading right at or below the 200 EMA here, well below the 200 EMA here. We can see the volume profile really kick in at this sell-off here. We can see oversold conditions on the slow stochastic, increasing seller momentum in the MACD below the average here. Same thing here on the 60-minute. We're seeing elevated volume profile here. overbought conditions still in effect from this price action here, and it's selling off, still showing overbought, and we get a MACD crossover here with buyers quickly losing momentum and sellers really picking up momentum here. This overall move here on the 4-hour, seeing the overbought conditions and the sell-off, seeing the buyer momentum, and then the MACD cross the average here for the sell-off. And my trade idea was an S4 to an S6 short, and then you can see where the S6 level is, where I take profits right down here. So definitely went in with some larger size, like I've been doing, about 50 cents risk. I did $1 risk in each of these positions here. So a $2 risk, so about 4 times my average risk that I put on to this position here. And we'll go into my tickets and I'll show you the mess that I made today. So you can see here from these tickets, we've got a bunch of small losses here. Nothing over 35 cents. I think this is the largest one here. But a bunch of small losses. Same thing, like these are like 3 or 5 cents, like really small, really small stuff here. But this is where risk management pays off. So again, a bunch of small stuff, and then really able to take advantage of the opportunity in the market today with taking these positions here, which definitely made the difference in my day and took me from a red day to a green day. I'm not happy with, let's say, my trading early and led to emotional decisions, but I feel like it was managed fairly well. I mean, some days are just not going to go your way, and you just have to decide how you're going to proceed. Even after over trading, having a bunch of tickets, sitting back and watching Litecoin and these other currency pairs set up that I traded, Ethereum and Ripple, not sitting back and just letting them go. I felt okay about, but from a psychology perspective, definitely over traded today. Normally I would say on tilt, but there was let's say control involved. It wasn't just reckless. This could have easily gone the other way, but I had a lot of confidence, but confidence does not necessarily mean that you will be successful in your trades. So a mixed bag today. Poor trading early, much better trading later. So looking to expand the scope of my time frames with larger time frames, which will mean fewer trades, but likely stronger setups and fewer fake outs. But we'll see how this goes moving forward. This is On Tilt Trading, and we'll see you next time.